one of the things, and in fact it's quite a major part of what policy and technical does, is keeping an eye out for new regulations, new laws, and lobbying, trying to explain to the regulators the situation of non-financial companies, because very often we're the end users of the services provided by the regulated section. So in Europe, it's quite interesting. I hadn't appreciated until I moved to work for the ACT that the lawmakers do consult very, very widely with the public before any new law gets thought about, drafted, and certainly before it's enacted. And in Europe, the process will typically be a consultation paper very early on, just a sort of floating ideas around. That will then move on to a set of proposals. That will then move on to detailed legislation, i.e. draft clauses, and eventually that finds its way through Parliament and through the Council. From beginning to end, it's certainly at least 3 years. If it's difficult or contentious, it's 5 years. And this is one of the things that makes life difficult for the person like ourselves who are trying to influence it. It takes so long that the danger is eventually you lose interest. You say, I'm banging my head against a brick wall, I'm not getting nowhere. But that's just the point when you have to persevere, because in the end, we do have an impact. And there are countless pieces of legislation which I can point to and say, the ACT got that clause included, or it got that clause excluded. So it's well worth it.